Alright, this here is going to be a cold start. It's about 12 degrees outside. 1998 Dodge, Cummins powered, 12 valve. Never been turned up, never been touched, other than the cold air intake over there that I made. It's 330 plus thousand miles on it. Homemade wooden flatbed on there. Looks pretty good, I think. And it is a 5-speed. Put her in neutral and cycle the plugs, glow plugs, and see what she does. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's got 331,104 original miles on it. Here we go. She fired right up. Takes her a few minutes to gain oil pressure. There it goes. Starting to climb now. All right. It's got a little bit of blue smoke, not bad for 331,000 miles on this old Cummins turbo diesel. She's a hauler. Nobody ever believes me, but I bought this truck for $1,200, and I would never sell it for that. The truck's worth a whole lot more money than that. Cruise, tilt, air conditioning, it all works. A couple little rust spots on her. This old 12 valve runs good. Never had a bit of trouble with her. Let's rev her up a little bit. Turbo spools right up, runs like a champ. Check this out on YouTube. Rate it, see what you think. Tell me what you think of it. It's just a project truck. I'm actually looking for some doors and a front fender for it. You know anybody's got some. There you go, cold start 98 Dodge 12 valve Cummins.